Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Paul Radio Man 2094 here, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Zizo Bolt Series case for the LG Stylo 5. Now, I'm going to make this one quick because I don't have like a phone to record the video and put the case on. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what it's like. And then whenever I get my prepaid smartphone for video recording, I'll do an update video on it later. But in the meantime, let's just unbox it, see what it is. Alright. Zizo Bolt Series case with tempered glass included. Drop tested at 12 feet. And a lifetime warranty. And it's designed for the LG Stylo 5. Okay. And then you got integrated kickstand. You got tempered glass. And then you got your holster clip. And then lifetime warranty. So, alright, let's just unbox it, see what it is. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I like the box, so nice presentation alert. I like that. Alright, so let's peel out this top. I like the color though. I went with the gunmetal gray because my LG Stylo 5 is the platinum gray color. So here's the case. And you got, okay, so it comes with like your holster and stuff. Okay, got a little thank you card. Pluck it and file it to the side. Okay, now let's, and then of course you got, so this is your case. I like that color though. Oh yeah. And you got your kickstand right here. And of course, you got your tempered glass screen protector. Real glass. So you got that. And you got your little kit with your microfiber cleaning cloth and then your wipes. So I'm going to keep everything in the package. But you got a tempered glass with this though. Sorry. Alright, I'm going to put it back in the box though. Oh, and then you got your little carabiner clip thing. Now this one's like more updated. But you can wear this on your neck whenever you're going to the beach. You're going to look like a douche, but it is what it is. But the new one now, you can just like take it off just like that. I like this. I'm going to start using this more. But in the meantime, I'm just going to leave it in the box. And then the thank you card. Okay, and then my tempered glass. Put that back in the box real quick. So, let me pause the video and then I'll get back to you on the case. Stand by. Alright, y'all, so we're back in. Now, here's the case. Of course, like I said, your kickstand. And then you can clip it back. And a lot of protection. Got mad grip on this, so if you got butterfingers, this is the one that you want to get. And here's your pattern on the inside. That's going to be for your shock absorption. This is like the newest updated Zizo case that I've seen. All your cutouts, of course. And then your thing whenever you pull out your pen and stuff. But like I said, I'll do an update video later on. And I'll show you what the case looks like. This is just for now. And of course, you got a little cutout for the mic, of course. You got your cutout. And then, of course, you got your holster. So you can rock it out like this. Or you could turn the thing and rock it on your belt like that. That's old school, and this is new school. But either way, you're going to look like a scumbag, but guess what? You got an LG Stylo 5. No one can tell you nothing. So, yeah. I'm feeling this case, though. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's wrap this up. Okay, so overall, I'm giving this case a definite major go. I got tongue-tied right there. I'm giving this case a definite major go. This is one of the cases I like to go to. if for my phone, and it's only 20 bucks or 19 bucks on Amazon, but 20 bucks, but you get the idea. But it's going to give you all the protection you need. This is one of those type of cases if you don't this is one of those type of cases that if you don't feel like spending OtterBox money, this is the one to go to. Worth every penny. Because the OtterBoxes are 60 bucks and you're getting the same level of protection on this one, just half the price. Or 1/3 of the price. Do the math yourself. But yeah. But anyways, guys, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about this one. On that note, guys, you guys be safe. You always have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. I'm Paul, Radio Man 2094, signing off. Peace out. Alright, one more thing I forgot to mention. The thing I have coming up this week, too. I'm going to be doing, like, the unboxing of the AT&T Radiant Core smartphone. I'm going to go buy it this week. Depends on how much it goes for. It goes for 35 bucks. So it's the cheapest Android phone on the market, but that one's going to be for video recording, but I'll be doing the unboxing of it and cover that phone on my channel and let you know what my opinions are. But anyway, guys, I'm out.